The get-rich dream is something everyone has because money is what can get you what you want from life. Few who actually chase that dream, while the majority had given up on it entirely. If you are one of those who's still in the path but it just didn't pay off yet, watch this video until the end. It may change your life and you can finally make it. The number one reason that keep people failing is that they change their game every time before they get successful in it. It's completely destroy their career and keep them newbies because they don't dig enough in the same spot. So they never reach the water. You have to pick something and stick to it. And by time you will be an expert in and you will get some progress day after day and it will inevitably pay off. If you change your profession before you get the results, the time you spend learning that profession and building it will go a waste. And you will have to start from zero again. Choose the right path and stick to it. The second reason of failing is distraction. If you can't focus on what you do in a few hours every day, you are doomed to lose. You must show up every day to your goals and don't let anything interrupt the time you work. Scientists discovered that a 10-second interruption will take about 15 minutes before you go deep again. Stop caring about notifications, messages, the noise outside the door. And if something occurred in your day, either bad or good, don't let it run over the work side. Be persistent and prioritize your focus the most because it is the key to every success in life. The third reason of failure is the lack of knowledge. You keep consuming all these motivational videos, but you don't consume content that will sharpen your skills. If you want to get rich, you should be always learning because there is always something new will come up to the market. Learn a high income skill and keep sharpening it every day. You can't succeed on something unless you go deep in it. And you should also learn how money works. Invest some of your time in education yourself about personal finance and how wealth gets built. The fourth reason of failing is that you keep delaying your tasks. Keep in mind that no one will do your work for you and tomorrow have another task to do. Be disciplined and never delay work you can do today. Success is a combination of all that small tasks that you keep delaying. Prioritize your work over cheap dopamine sources such as movies, video games. You shouldn't rest if you don't complete what your days demand. Another reason of failing is that you don't set your goals. Without a goal, you won't be able to succeed because you don't make a schedule on when you should complete your tasks. Think of it just like you have a school exam and you must be ready on time. This will put some extra pressure on you and you will work harder and your productivity will be doubled many times because of the commitments you make with yourself that you must finish the task before a specific time. Every successful business do this because they know it won't be important unless it have a time that must be done before it. And last, your mindset. Your mindset can play a crucial role in your success. If you have a negative attitude and constantly doubting your abilities, you are setting up yourself for failure. Cultivate a positive mindset and surround yourself with supportive people. Practice gadzhi and focus on your strengths. Believe in your potential even when faced with the hardest challenge. Thank you all for watching. This was the video. Subscribe to our small channel.